Alright, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Buena suerte. Gonna roll the dice. See what randoms you end up with. Deleted you end up. I think you're all a no now. Casey came back to this side. Here you go. Good luck. I just dropped 3. Alright, time for the random screen. We got Joey, Buzz, Chris, Kevin, Casey, Hitless Pack. That's fine, in the morning's fine, Joey. Yeah, no worries. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Casey on the top. BKVG at the bottom. On to the divisions. We got NL East, NL Central, NL West, AL East, AL Central, AL West. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. AL Central at the top, AL West at the bottom. Alright, listen up. Here go your divisions. Shy Sox has AL Central, Ortunnel, NL West, the Card Site, NL East. KJ Fowler, AL East. Hitless Pack, NL Central. BKVG, AL West. Casey, Chris, and Joey, you pick a box number. Buzz, oh, BKVG's in the room right now.